Schluter FINEC-SQ is a finishing and edge protection profile for outside corners of tiled surfaces. The profile provides a slim, minimalistic square reveal and is ideal for use with thicker tiles. FINEC SQ is available in satin anodized aluminum, as well as color-coded aluminum in all TRENDLINE colors. You can either choose your profile color to match your tile, or create a contrasting accent, depending on your design preference. FINEC SQ works with the universal inside-outside QUADEC corner piece. In addition to its design element, FINEC SQ also protects tile edges that are vulnerable to damage if left exposed. Let's take a look at how to install the FINEC SQ and some different tips and tricks for working with the profile. We'll be demonstrating the profile installation on a knee wall and shower curb. Before tiling, we checked the walls with a straight edge to see if they were flat and did all corrections before beginning the installation. This is an important consideration in any application, but especially when profiles will be used, as shown here. The profiles are installed in conjunction with the tile. The Dial-X EKE profiles and some of the wall tiles have already been installed. Now we're ready to install the FINEC SQ. First things first, choose your FINEC SQ according to the thickness of your tile. Again, the FINEC SQ's larger size options help facilitate thicker tile installations. To begin, measure for the length of the FINEC SQ. It's important to take into consideration the outside corner accessory for this measurement. Cut the profile and dry fit into place. Next, cut back the anchoring leg of the FINEC SQ, any place where the profile will be set to an adjacent profile. It's important to avoid overlap of the anchoring legs, since it will interfere with the tile installation. Next, measure for the tile to be set up to the FINEC SQ. One of the major considerations when working with this profile is that the tile requires an edged angle to sit properly up to the profile. You can see here that a straight tile edge will not seat properly up to the profile. Cutting the back edge of the tile gives the perfect angle for that slim and sleek reveal of the profile. We achieve the proper angle on our tile by cutting it using a grinder. It is best practice to file the tile after cutting to ensure a smooth edge. Now we can begin installation. Set the tile on the wall up to where the FINEC SQ will be installed. Using a notched trowel, apply thin set mortar to the area where the FINEC SQ is to be installed. Set the profile into place and press the anchoring leg into the thin set mortar and align. Repeat the process for the parallel piece of FINEC SQ on top of the knee wall. In this installation, we are installing the anchoring legs on the top of the knee wall. Trowel additional thin set mortar over the anchoring leg to ensure full coverage and support of the tile edges. Using thin set mortar, install the corner pieces into the end of the adjoining profile for the front of the knee wall. Install the front section of the profile and align with the side profiles. Note that the QUADEC corner pieces used with the FINEC SQ are universal and are shown as outside corners in this example. Set the tiles on top of the knee wall, up to the profiles, and embed, so that the tiled surface is flush with the surface of the profile. The profiles and corner pieces can be adjusted here, while the thin set mortar is still workable to allow for a clean and even installation. Small spacers can help when working with the corner pieces to ensure that proper alignment is achieved. Remove excess setting material from the profile immediately to avoid any damage to the finish. Finish the installation of the FINEC SQ on the front edge of the knee wall, again making sure to align the profiles as you go and cleaning any excess mortar immediately. Next, we'll prepare the FINEC SQ for installation on the curb. For this installation, we will demonstrate the anchoring legs being set down onto the face and back side of the curb. Prepare and set your tile onto the face and back side of the curb. Install the QUADEC corner into the FINEC SQ where it meets the adjacent piece of profile on the knee wall. The corner piece is universal and is shown as an inside corner in this example. Slide the profiles behind the tiles, making sure to properly align with the tile. Pay close attention to the alignment of the corner piece to the adjacent profile. Set the piece of tile on the top of the curb flush with the profiles. Clean any excess setting material from the profiles immediately. From here, the tile installation would resume and finally be grouted. It is again important to remove any grout from the profiles immediately to avoid any damage to the finish of the profile. The FINEC SQ installation is now complete. With proper planning and execution, the Schluter FINEC-SQ profile will provide a sleek, minimalistic look, all while protecting tile edges. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.